Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ayesha loves makeup. Guys, today I'm super excited. This is my favorite subscription box that I unbox on my channel, which I feel pretty bad because my channel is predominantly about makeup, but I actually love crystals just as much as makeup. And I do some crystal subscriptions unboxings on my channel, and Mindful Souls is one of them that I do. So if you guys love crystals as much as I do, then you guys, I cannot wait to show you guys what I got in this box. So if you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty, guys. First and foremost, I just want to say that this box was gifted to me from Mindful Souls, and for just me giving my honest opinion on the box. I actually happen to love Mindful Souls. I have done a couple of their boxes on my channel prior to them even reaching out to me. I've always loved Mindful Souls. Their stuff is like phenomenal, the best quality. The stuff is great. I could sit here and tell you guys how great their stuff is, but I'd rather just show you because talk is cheap. So let's get into the box. So I noticed something different. I don't think in the past they had like this little cool little thing on the box, but it says open up to the world of inner peace and self-love, which is kind of like their theme to their box. So I'm super excited, guys. Every single box that I have received from Mindful Souls, I absolutely loved. I will say all the pieces that I get that I've worn, people compliment and they're like, wow, where did you get that piece from? This piece is amazing. I always tell them use Miss underscore Ayesha for getting 20% off your first box. I was like, I got a code, you know? I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about the box, but yes, I do have a code to Mindful Souls. It's, like I said, Miss underscore Ayesha. I'll put it above so everybody can see that for 20% off their box. It is $39.97 for a box normally, and you get like 6 to 8 items in the box. It's just very like, it's crystal theme related. So I love the cards that they give. They always give 2 types of cards. I collect the cards and I keep them because sometimes I don't remember what an item does. So I can always go back and read about it. Also, they have like little affirmation cards. So we're going to read this really quick and then we're going to get into the box. Before we get into the box, let me just give you guys a little sneak peek at what it looks like when you just open the box up. And now let's dig in. Woo! Alrighty, guys, so let's start off with my affirmation card. This is an affirmation for compassion. It says, compassion is a force of nature that transforms everyone it touches. Then I got a Mindful Souls card that, like I said, it tells you everything you get in your box. It says, you yourself, as much as anybody in the entire universe, deserves your love and affection. Wow, this really hit home. I'm speechless right now. Only me would know, but this really hit home. It's funny, whenever I get these affirmations and when I get these boxes, it's always like what I needed at the moment to hear. Like, it's just amazing, and I definitely needed to hear this, so we're off to a good start. So where do I begin, guys? Let's start off with one of the pouches here. So I love that everything that they put is in a beautiful little pouch here. The suspense. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, guys. I've never had anything like this before, guys. Look at this masterpiece over here. Oh, it's in theme with like my background with the goldish look going on. So I have no clue what this is. Guys, just to let you guys know, I've said this in all of my unboxings. I am not proclaiming to be a crystal expert by any means necessary. I just happen to like, I love crystals. I love how they look. I love like the energy they give off to me. I've just gotten into crystals, I want to say like maybe 2, 3 years ago. So there's still a lot that I want to learn about crystals, which is why that I subscribe to some crystal subscription boxes because I want to learn. So if I ever say anything wrong, please don't be one of those goody two shoes people who like, oh, that's not what that does, and blah blah blah. I'm never saying I know everything. I'm learning, so forgive me if I say something wrong. But this is a yellow aventurine Merkaba star. So I actually do have a yellow aventurine bracelet from Mindful Souls that I've gotten, which is beautiful. I always get compliments from it. But let's read about this piece. It says, this adorable little item brings several powerful aspects into one. Merkaba star is a sacred symbol that brightens the path for spirit and body to reach the higher realms. The material of argon is best known for its harmonizing and balancing properties. The yellow aventurine, also known as solar plex stone, brings creative, positive vibrations that can assist in necessary life transformations. Well, you guys know I'm in the beauty industry, so anything that is for creativity and stuff like that, I'm all for it. So very excited to have this beautiful piece. So we're starting off amazing because I'm so happy with my first item. Alrighty, the next thing I got here is, this looks like incense sticks, I want to say. Yes, these incense are the most popular incense of the world with its enthralling and captivating aroma. The finest spices, herbs, floral extracts, exotic oils, and other natural ingredients are carefully selected and skillfully blended for their positive influence. Ooh. It's funny, I just did a Marshall's haul and I bought like some incense, and I was just talking about how much I love incense. I got a new incense holder, so this came just in the nick of time because now I can use them for my new incense holder. But let's smell these. Yes, you see, this is good quality because I can't smell that one, but this I can definitely smell. It comes in a packaging like so. Ooh, there's like some sand stuff that came out. I think that's to give it the smell. Yes, I could smell it from that. Let's see here. Ooh, these smell so stinking good, guys. Oh my gosh, guys, these smell amazing. What am I gonna do when I run out of these? Because they smell so good. Oh, I hope there's a website or something. Oh yes, they do have a website here that I can buy more. Oh my god, this smells amazing. Literally everything the subscription box gives you is amazing. Like, it's worth every single penny, guys. It's worth every single penny when you subscribe to this box. Like, some subscription boxes, you pay for your items and you're not like happy. It's not good quality, but they don't give cheap stuff in the subscription box. Like, you could tell this is high quality incense. Like I said, I just bought some cheap ones from Marshall's. How much was this? $3.99, and I barely even smell them. So invest yourself in some good incense, guys. So it says, mantra incense, strong, authentic scents are powerful stimulators during meditative state. Light this handmade incense and take in its delightful fragrance. Calm your mind, allow these scents to intrigue your inner state and imaginative side. Feel the underlying trust that something lit and graceful is guiding your way, and little by little, a different side of you will come through. Loves this, loves this, loves this. All right, so that's the second thing I got. The next thing I got here, it says Rich Lavender, Exquisite Travel Tin. Let's see what this is. Oh, is this a candle? I love candles. If you follow my channel, you guys also know I love candles too. I can't stop buying candles. This is giving me soapy clean vibes. Let's read about it. Oh, is that the lavender scent I smell? Yes, very soothing and calming. So this is a lavender. It's funny because these incense I bought were lavender as well. So this box, like I said, guys, it's always in tune with like what I want. It's amazing. So it says aromatherapy candles are perfect for relaxing ritual that unwind your soul and rest your busy mind. The sweet, soothing fragrance of the lavender is a natural way to reduce stress, anxiety, and improve your well-being. Save the hour for yourself, clear your mind, and raise your vibrations, ritual after ritual. So for me, I like to do like meditation in the morning when I wake up. So get yourself like a nice little lavender calendar, a lavender candle, and just relax yourself and just meditate. Say like your positive affirmations, like your day will go. Try it one day. You'd be surprised. Like I feel like my life has changed tremendously ever since I started doing like positive affirmations and like meditating in the morning before I start my day. Don't knock it till you try it. I'm loving everything. I am loving everything. All right. Next thing I got. This feels like a bracelet. I've gotten so many beautiful jewelry pieces from this company. Yes, this is a bracelet, guys. So this is a silk agate bracelet. The healing properties of agate are unbelievable powerful. This magical stone is capable of transforming all that negative into bright and positive. Wear this bracelet daily or whenever you feel its guidance is needed. Make all the anger, tension, doubt, and concerns fade away. And invite calmness, clarity, and wellness into your path. Loves this. We could all use a little agate in our lives. So guys, I didn't know this when I first got into crystals. Whenever you get your crystals, they say you're always supposed to cleanse them before you wear them because somebody's like negative energy, if somebody touched this or, and it's traveling, could have put like their energy into it. And I love that they also put it on here. It says, please note, it's important to cleanse and energize your crystals as soon as you obtain them, which I definitely do. Some crystals you can't wash, or find out if you can actually wash them with water. What else did I get? I also got a little cool little sticker here. So I put these like on my planner. So I love the stickers. They always give one sticker. Let's see what's in here now. The next thing I got is, I'm not sure what crystal this is. So let's see. This is called metallic calcite crystal. I've never had this one before. It's beautiful though. Another crystal to add to like my babies over here. It says calcite stone brings one emotion and intellect into union. It's an excellent tool to evoke deeper awareness, allowing you to see things from a different perspective and leading you with success during changes and challenges. Have this adorable stone in your pocket near your bed or in your favorite place at home and take in all the magical properties this adorable crystal has to offer. Loves it. And that's how I learned from these boxes. The next thing I got is some aloe vera soap. So sometimes you get like stuff like self-care products. Like I've gotten a face mask, like a gold face mask from the subscription box. I've gotten like soap now. I've gotten like an essential oil. So a lot of cool things for the mind, body, and soul. It says aloe vera soap. It says aloe vera is known as a higher power plant that can clear the space and bring light, positive energy. This extra gentle soap enriched with aloe nourishing juice will soothe, hydrate, and moisturize your skin. Use it daily and overwhelm yourself with the endless benefits of aloe healing, cleansing, and protective powers. So let's see what the soap looks like. It comes in a seal. So, No one used it. Let's see. Mmm. Smells very nice. This is what the bar of soap looks like. It says Kamini, Kamini. Kamini. Oh, this is from Kamini Aromatics. I'm sorry, I can't talk today. That's what the soap looks like. And guys, this is everything I received in my box. Guys, what did you guys think? I just hope you guys enjoy this unboxing as much as I do. Like, I know I predominantly do makeup boxes on my channel, but like, I have to be like myself on my channel, and it would be a disservice for me not to share something that I'm so like passionate about. Like, I love crystals and learning about them. So I appreciate a lot of my subscribers saying like, hey girl, like, first of all, whatever you like, we like, because we support you, and you guys are like, hey girl, we want to see your crystal subscription boxes too. So I've been, opening up and sharing a little bit more of my world with you guys, and I appreciate you guys like being open-minded for me to show you other things besides just makeup, because there's more to Ayesha than just makeup. She loves her crystals. Anybody that knows me knows I love my crystals. For Christmas time, a lot of people got me like new crystals and new stuff to crystal books and spiritual books and all of that fun stuff. So I love, like I said, I love this box. I look forward to this box every single month. The boxes are all curated, so everybody will all have the same box. Like, they're all gonna be the same, but you get them in different, like, box number 1 is all the same, box number 2 is all the same. So you get the boxes all, and from each time you get your box, if that makes any sense. Sometimes I'm hard at explaining things, but I'll put what number box this is. I'm not sure if this is, I'll tell you in a second, hold on. So this is box number 6. So all the box number 6 that goes out to people, they all look the same. All box number 1 all looks the same. So you'll know what you're getting if you took a sneak peek and looked at somebody's channel who does these type of boxes. I did watch one girl's video, and I remember, I think her box was like number 22 she was unboxing, because I'm like, the first thing that came to my mind, I was worried. I'm like, oh no, like, what's gonna happen when what's the ending box? Like, I don't know what number is the ending box, but I'm like, I hope there's a lot more to go, because I really look forward to these boxes. So, I know I still have a ways to go, because I saw one girl, like I said, her video was like unboxing Mindful Souls number 22, and I'm just at box number 6. So there's a lot more to go. I can't wait to get my next box. Mindful Souls, thank you so much for sending me this box. It made my day, it made my week, and it made my month, and I can't wait to continue to get more boxes from you guys and learning new things about the box. So guys, like I said, use that code that I gave you guys, Miss Ayesha, in the description down below if you guys want your 20% off your first box, which I think is an amazing deal. An amazing deal. And like I said, I can say it's good, but you guys see, the proof is in the pudding. The proof is in the pudding. Alrighty guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye!